অনুৰাধা চিত্ৰগৃহত শুকুৰবাৰৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ হৈছে ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ ভেলী ফিল্ম ফেষ্টিভেলৰ তাতফা ক্ৰিয়েশ্যনৰ উদ্যোগত অনুষ্ঠিত ছবি মহোৎসৱখনিৰ লগত সংগতি ৰাখি এখন ছুটি ছবি প্ৰতিযোগিতাৰো আয়োজন কৰা হৈছিল শুকুৰবাৰে অনুৰাধা চিনেমা কমপ্লেক্সত অনুষ্ঠিত এখন সংবাদ মেলত বলিউডৰ চাৰিগৰাকী প্ৰতিভাৱান পৰিচালকৰ লগত চিনাকি কৰি দিয়া হয় প্ৰতিভাৱান যুৱ পৰিচালক কেইগৰাকী হ'ল অসম জীয়ৰী তালাশ খ্যাত ৰীমা কাকতি সাংহাই খ্যাত দিবাকৰ বেনাৰ্জী জিন্দেগী না মিলেগী দুবাৰা খ্যাত জয়া আখতাৰ আৰু পিপলি লাইফ খ্যাত অনুষা ৰিজভি সংবাদ মেলখনত দিবাকৰ বেনাৰ্জীয়ে নিজৰ অনুভৱ ব্যক্ত কৰে এনেদৰে
One thing that's also happening because of the overarching presence of Bollywood is that it's kind of bulldozing away a diversity of styles and concerns which can enrich the toolbox of filmmaking. If people from various parts of India do not bring their own style, their own aesthetics, their own regional, their own lifestyles into the language which they are using in making the film, to make the film, if that language is not repeatedly replenished by the languages, and by language I don't mean just the tongue, I mean the cultural idiom, I mean the lifestyle and everything. If all the regions, if all the diversity does not compound that language, Indian cinema will be a lot, poorer in the end.
Honeymoon Travels Private Limited শিক্ষক ছবিৰে পৰিচালক হিচাপে ভূমুকি মৰা অসম জীয়ৰী ৰীমা কাকতিয়ে কয়
One thing that I would like to add is what Dibakar said, that films ultimately have the potential to become the first cultural ambassadors of your region. And, as somebody from the Northeast, and I live in Bombay, I work in Bombay, but Assam will always be my home. I do see a huge difference in mainland India and the rest of the Northeast. And that is something that I would like to change, I wouldn't like to, yes, there has been a lot of, negligence from the central government and a lot of political and social factors that have given rise to that. But as a person on the ground, as an Assamese, what I would like to tell everybody is that I think the time has come for people to stand up and do what they want. You should stand up and try and create the world that you want. And the really great thing about the films that we saw, the 10-12 films that came to us, each one of them in some way I think reiterated that.
পিপলি লাইভৰ জৰিয়তে ভাৰতৰ সংবাদ সংস্থাসমূহক চুকা সমালোচনা কৰা অনুষা ৰিজভিয়ে কয়
Regional language cinema is what we should be calling it, and language cinema should be strengthened primarily because Hindi film cinema that is situated primarily in Bombay is not clearly speaking out to a large majority of people. It is not speaking out to people, for instance, in UP or Maharashtra or class-wise, maybe to people in Assam for the political reasons. So therefore it is very, very important that language cinema in their place and in their cities should be strengthened, and which is the only way we'll be able to have cinema which is vibrant, cinema which will have value other than the commercial value.
লাকবাই চান্সৰ দৰে অগতানুগতিক ছবি পৰিচালনা কৰা জয়া আখতাৰে কয়
This is my third trip to Assam, and I think it's far from being my last. Between Anusha and Dibakar, they've said everything that there was to say, so I'm going to keep it really short. When I saw the films that were sent, I was sent 12 films, and it was a very, very pleasant surprise. It was extremely moving because there were stories, there were certain things I didn't know, I didn't understand, and Reema had to explain them to me, what it meant, and I had no idea that this existed. And I apologize for living in a bubble, but I don't see how it would have gotten to me anyway. And I think this is a very, very important tool, cinema, and it's diplomatic, it's political, it can be entertaining, it can be everything you need it to be, and it's the first thing that goes out there because people are interested in it. And I'm happy to be here, and I hope this doesn't stop, and I feel it's just going to get bigger. And it's an exchange of ideas, and more people from the mainstream industry coming here, and more filmmakers from here coming to Bombay, and ideas being exchanged, and hopefully leading to co-productions and films being made, and subtitled and shown all over the country, and I'm hoping for a future like that.
আশা কৰা হৈছে ছবি মহোৎসৱটিয়ে অসমৰ চিত্ৰপ্ৰেমীক আকৰ্ষণ কৰিব পাৰিব। কেমেৰা পাৰ্চন সুশান্ত দাসৰ সৈতে অমৰদীপ গগৈ, চেণ্টিনেল নিউজ, গুৱাহাটী।